Hello and welcome to our first video in English. Today we're gonna unbox the brand new BeoPlay P6 and we're gonna take a closer look to it. Now let's go. So here we have it, the packaging of the Bang Olufsen P6. Now we're gonna take off this one, and here we have the beauty, the Bang Olufsen P6. We take it out and we take a closer look to the box, how it looks from the back. So here we have it, crafted for power, made for portability, and here we have the main points. Yeah, this is it. And inside of the box we have the USB cable, USB-A to USB-C cable, so very easy to charge. Here we have the small manual in different languages. Yeah, and it's not that interesting, so we're gonna take that away and we take a closer look at this box here. Here, rich sound, premium craftsmanship, up to 16 hours of battery life. That's pretty much for a device like this. And yeah, that's all of the packaging. And here we have it, the beautiful BeoPlay P6. So now I'm going to show you how to connect your smartphone or tablet for the first time to the Bang Olufsen P6. So first we're gonna go to the Bluetooth settings. We have them over here. We're gonna turn on. It's now in German, but it's very easy. It's the same process in English. And then we turn on here the BeoPlay P6. And we can hear the sound, so it's turned on. Then we click on the Bluetooth button over here for about 3 seconds till the LED flashes blue. And here we go to add device and add the BeoPlay P6. So here we have it. Now you can listen to music. It's just amazing how it sounds. The high tunes are accurate, the bass is mellow and powerful, and it just sounds, yeah, great. So a special thing I have to say is that it's dust and splash resistant, so you can take it with you even if there is rain outside, and yeah, those are the special features. It has an effective frequency range from 55 to 20,000 Hertz, so that's pretty good for a device like this. So yeah, those are the main things you need to know. And yeah, I'll listen now to some music and enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed our video. If you did so, leave us a like and subscribe to our channel for more awesome videos to come. See you next time.